Recently, iOS 16 was released. However, some iPhone may stuck on black screen due to many reasons while updating. So in this video, we will show you how to fix it while updating to iOS 16. Please keep watching. First, you can fix iPhone stuck on black screen by charging your device. Sometimes a drained battery can make your devices look just like a victim of the black screen of death. So it's important to rule that out first. Connect your device to a functioning power source, and wait for it to respond. If you see the Apple logo or another interaction on the screen, you've solved it. If you continue to see no response from the screen or the device vibrates as if it was charging, you know with certainty that you're facing the black screen of death. So, now let's try another methods, force restart iPhone. This will help clear out errors that are causing your iPhone to freeze without erasing your apps or data. Take iPhone 13 as an example. Step 1. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Step 2. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Step 3. Immediately after releasing the volume down button, press and hold the power key for 8 seconds. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen as a sign that the problem is already fixed, release the power button and allow the device to continue the boot process. If the two tips do not work, then try to fix iPhone stuck on black screen iOS 16 by Phone Rescue. First, download the latest version of Phone Rescue and launch it on your computer. Connect your iPhone to your computer with a USB cable. Then select Repair iOS System feature, click the arrow button below to continue. After that, please choose a repair mode. Let's choose Standard mode. Have a try. Then, please follow the 3 steps below to turn your iPhone into recovery mode. Now, you can see your device version and system Verizon on the page. Click the download button below to get a matching firmware for your iPhone. Downloading firmware may need a few minutes, please wait patiently. After that, your iPhone software will be restored. And after it was restored, your iPhone will begin to restart. Now, you fixed iPhone stuck on black screen successfully, and you just need to finish the setup to access your iPhone. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more tips, and leave your comment if you have any question.